How to fix KB5044284 fails to install in Windows 11. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The Windows Update Troubleshooter is designed to automatically detect and resolve common issues that may prevent updates from installing properly. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, certain Windows services, such as Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS, are essential for the update process to function correctly. For each service, ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. If it's not, select automatic from the drop-down menu. Open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration.